Hello and welcome to this dissection video where we're going to show you the ulnar nerve. Remember, the ulnar nerve is going to originate from the medial cord of the brachial plexus, so it's going to have nerve root C8T1, and it's going to travel in the anterior arm, in the upper aspect of the arm, and this is going to be the ulnar nerve. Right. Halfway down the upper arm, the ulnar nerve is going to pierce the medial intermuscular septum, and it's actually going to go to the posterior compartment of the arm, where it's then going to emerge behind the medial epicondyle as it passes between the two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris to actually gain access into the forearm. So this is going to be the ulnar nerve in the forearm, and the ulnar nerve is going to travel in company of an artery, which is going to be ulnar artery, which is this one. The ulnar artery will actually be the larger terminal branch of the brachial artery in the region of the cubital fossa there. Right? So these are going to be the two structures. So this is ulnar nerve, that's ulnar nerve, which is going to be medial to the ulnar artery, which is a bit lateral when you get to the wrist. Right? That's just about it.